The first step in editing is open your Photoscape, then decide what are the two pictures that you are going to use in editing. Select the first picture, then click open. And the other one is select file, click open, then select the second picture that you're going to use in editing. As you can see, these are our two pictures. So you're going to drag the first picture above the second picture. Then select create a new layer. Then drag the first picture into the second picture. After that, select the scale tool to resize the two pictures. Then resize it, then select scale. Just repeat the procedure until the two pictures are fit together. Click scale again. Stretch the picture so that the size will be even. Click scale. After that, adjust the opacity so that the pictures will be transparent. Then rotate it so that it will fit with the first picture. Adjust it again. When the two pictures already fit to each other, adjust the opacity again, then add layer mask. Click the selection and click add. After that, select the eraser tool and start erasing. Size the tool, then start erasing. As you can see, the second picture, you can already see the second picture as we erase the white color. After that, select the color, use saturation, and then adjust the hue color to the and the lightness and lastly the saturation so that the color of the two pictures will be even. Then click OK. Select the pictures again and select the eraser tool and start erasing again. Make sure that as you erase, the two colors will be evenly. After erasing it, the picture is finished. Scale it again.